Enigma. I never thought one day I will agree fully with Pastor Enigma. Oh, the revelation has reveled. Do not invite people for Christmas. I agree with him. So no one's coming to my place for Christmas. Do not feed people for Christmas. Do not say Happy Christmas. He does not like it. But most importantly, there's a part that we are ignoring. Thengelani abantwana izimpahla every day.
Nalaba bathi today is Christmas, yayisontweni siyocelebrate ukuzalwa kaJesu. Akafuni kanjalo uJesu. Even if Christmas is on Sunday, ninga esontweni because it's Sunday. Kodwa umfundisi makashumayele like every Sunday. Angathi uJesu wazalwa today, no.
So you guys, Somizi Finally did this video on his social media account responding to one of Brother Enigma's video. No, it wasn't the one where he talked about Somizi Finally's marriage being evil and all that. It is about the most recent video where he talked about Christmas. You guys, Brother Enigma did a video talking about Christmas, revealing that Jesus or God does not want people to celebrate this day. You guys, now Somizi did this video today, mocking and of course reacting to that video which the man of God, Brother Enigma, did. Somizi did this video mocking the man of God's teachings or theories about Christmas. Somizi says he's absolutely right, Brother Enigma, about no Christmas celebration. You guys, Somizi says, do not invite people over for Christmas. Do not feed people food for Christmas. He said that Brother Enigma was absolutely 100% right, and he agrees with him. You guys, of course, he was mocking and he was joking. You guys, he was actually mocking the man of God's teaching. And anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.